There we go. Okay, figured it out. God, I'm such a retard. Alright. What's up, Kaden? Yo, yo. Alright, I took my first trade on SOWG not too long ago. Let's see, we're $40. Let's see. Breakout 42. So yeah, I bought on this breakout right here at 117 and it went up to 121 and I sold for about, $40 profit. I'll take that. It's gonna be good base. Gonna need that. Could help out. Right now I know it's gonna be a little bit slow. Yesterday kind of gave the sentiment for today, so we'll see. I was hoping for the continued volatility. AGMH, keep it going. Yeah, I know. I was fiddling with my computer. I was trying to figure out how to pull some stuff up, but honestly, I had to let that go. That was bad, but it's okay. Let's see. This is Chinese stock. Oh man, it's right at 708. Yeah, since it's Chinese, now I'm scared because I don't know if this is just gonna straight drop. I don't know the news on this. Oh, they had a private issuer yesterday. So I found out the reason why SLRX yesterday were actually sold off. They had an 8K, and I think they did some shit. From what I read, they did some sort of like not a share offering, but they sold shares. I don't know. I saw. I wonder if I can pull it up. Right here. Yep. This came out. As soon as I got fucked, this is what came out, and I saw this and I was like, huh. Let's see. There's something about an amendment. Somewhere in here. I don't know what this means. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what this means, but this was what came out, and I'm sure that caused the sell-off from yesterday for SLRX. Alright. Damn, AGMH. Oh, it's already up 20%. Well, I'm already late on it, and it's already going to cross over, so I'll keep an eye on it. It's not going away. I'll keep an eye on it, especially on the level 2. If I see something I like, I'll take the trade. But I don't know if this will bounce back. We'll see. How many shares did you take on your big loss? I took 300 shares. Because I kept adding. It dropped, and I added again. I was up 300 shares, and I was like, oh shit. And then honestly, I got so pissed. Closed my laptop. I was like, there's no way this is gonna happen right now. And yeah, it is what it is. Honestly, I'm still young. It's my fault. It is what it is, man. Just gotta get through it and recover slowly and being careful for being a dummy, but it's alright. That's the beauty of day trading. You can make it up. I mean, as long as it's not like generational. That to me is not generational. I hope I never get into that generational loss like that. Like, to 6 figures, that would be insane to think about. So this is gonna be recoverable, but with market conditions now, I don't know. It might take till the end of the month. Who knows? I'm not gonna wish on a single trade. You said LTP too cheap. Hey, sometimes I like the cheap stocks, but we'll see what this is. See what this is about. It's probably gonna move slow. I mean, sometimes these penny stocks move fast, but what's no news? No, it's not. I don't know why it's going up, and it's Chinese. Those are big buyers though. Shit, there's that one buyer. It's probably not gonna move a lot. It's already filling this gap right here. Yeah, I don't think anything promising will come out of this one. CWD waiting in the sideline for a refunding account. Dude. Yeah, it was devastating, but fuck, what can we do? What can we do? Yeah, I'll recover. I'm not worried, Caden. I cried though. Low key, I kind of cried. Like, if I'm being honest, I kind of cried. Like, just realizing what happened, I was like, fuck. But going through the day took my mind off of it all. And at the end of the day, it's all cheese, so it's like, who cares? You know? Because if I'm gonna rebound from this, it means I learned from this, so. Alright, let's see. Gotta be patient. Oh, this one's charred XXII. This one's a weird one. It always comes and goes, and every other day, I don't know, every other week or every other month, this one does something crazy. I wanted to buy MACD curl and NGMH, but I didn't. Which curl are you talking about? Are you talking about the this curl right here? Let's see what AGMH is about right now. Let's see if it's hard to borrow. Not available to borrow, at least in Charles Schwab. I'm seeing a 20K seller at 660, so it's likely gonna get charred right now. It's already crossing over down. This is what I'm seeing. What was there? Can you guys trade without the charts? I know apparently some people that can trade just by looking at this. Shit. I don't know if it's possible. Do you use running up scanner? Yeah, I do. I use the run up scanner a lot. Well, actually, as in the category. Let me see. Actually, no, I don't. Bruh. No, I actually do not use the running up scanner. So which one I use? I use pen top gainers, small cap, high day momentum, and then newsroom. So I'm gonna pull it up on this screen right here. That way you guys can see. I mean, I just want to like live trade it maybe every other week. I don't know. I haven't thought about the frequency. At least once a month, but definitely I want to do more. This is my scanners. Or these are my scanners, yeah. That's what I'm using. So I'm looking up at the same time, and then looking right, and then looking straight. Okay, let's see. Now it's trying to curl up a little bit, maybe, but still not good. Volume's a lot less. Damn, there was actually some volume. Damn. Okay, I fucked up. I missed out on this trade. I was hoping for this morning to be more explosive, but I guess not. I saw Ross using run up in some of his videos. Yeah, I don't know what scanners he uses or monitors, because it looks like he can put up a lot of things on his monitor, and if I do that on mine, it's gonna be too cramped. I can try it though. It wouldn't hurt. I can still see everything, so thanks for the tip, Kaden. I'll start using this. 8. What the hell is this one? Oh yeah, it's on a sell off anyways. 7. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Looks like they're creating resistance at 650. Yeah, AGMH is likely done for the morning. Likely. Have you guys taken any trades today, or not at all? I'll show you my trades for now. This is what I got in on SOWG. I was hoping it'd go up a little bit more, but I'll take it. Didn't get greedy. There's no news on this one. Did I look at the daily chart on this? No, I did not. Would have been hard for it to move up. Cents on the last push. Nice. Sim again, but no trade so far. Yeah, that's good. It's okay if you didn't get the trade. I mean, nothing really here is worthy of like an A plus trade. Like I've mentioned before, I like the penny stocks. I think I've been doing a lot better on penny stocks this year than I did when I was starting out. That's just because I feel like I'm seeing opportunities like for a breakout in VWAP, or it's easy to get quick base hit if it goes up like 20 cents or not 20 cents, not even 20, like 5 cents. It's still a good base hit. With 1,000 shares or $50, I'll take that for a base. I was scalping in out of AMGH down 18. It's not bad. Sounds like, wait, let me see. Week 7. Yeah, that's good. That's a good trade. Okay. Alright, we got 6 minutes till 4:30. We'll see what's coming up. Let's see what has come up in the morning. Brea, wasn't the stock like at $4 like yesterday? $7. The hell? $300 million private placement for Solana digital asset. Low-key, I felt that this was gonna be slow. I might want to live stream on Monday, so we can get something fresh, because this is slow as fuck. But that's why I gotta be patient and not get ahead of myself and cause a loss. If I end with $40 today, I'll take it. That shit really humbles you. Oh, 6 cents. I know there's probably some delay on the stream. There's always gonna be delay. I don't know by how much though. Not sure. How was, dude? New York was amazing. Holy shit! Thank you for asking, bro. New York was pretty fun. I mean, I'm not much of a city guy, but now I am. Like, I've never been all about the city because I live in LA. LA's honestly, it's not the best. It's so overrated. If you've never been here, it's overrated. LA is not the place. New York is what LA should have been, and that to me it was like whoa. I think I'm become like a city boy, but I honestly not I can't really say that because I wouldn't live there. But I think visiting there often, or actually wouldn't mind moving close to like a suburban area in New York, and then, go to New York City, frequently. I wouldn't mind doing that. That'd be fun. But I'd have to have a reason to go. I mean, I don't dig around. Like I have to have a reason. I don't know where else I would go, like or why else I would go to New York. I mean, it would just be with my friends, and other than that, it would probably be for judo training. But me and my friends want to go back for sure, so we were definitely gonna make another trip that isn't like about like training because we didn't have that much time. We had some time to go to New York, but we didn't have like a full day to explore the whole city, to explore everywhere. I only explored like Manhattan. I didn't touch the Bull Balls. That's why I lost money. I didn't touch the Golden Bull. That's why. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Would go back, 100%. And I don't say that about a lot of things. A lot of places where I visit, it's rare for me to say, "Oh, I'll go back there," but no, I'm gonna be back. I don't know when, but I'll be back. All right, it's a break for 650 AGMH. I'm seeing 650 and then 666 there, but I don't know. I'm not seeing any heavy sellers right now. Well, we already jumped 660. Break 666. Let's see where the next level is on the level 2. Oh, it's off. We could retest 7, maybe. But I don't think the volume's supporting this right now. Volume's for that break on 7. Oh, now I just got stacked. Level 2 just got stacked on the ask. But it's being bought up. Damn. That's flush. That's not a bad trade. I mean, a break under the 200 EMA on a 10-second. I think that's really not a bad winner. I didn't take that trade, but I'm just saying. I don't know if there's breakouts like that happen frequently. But that's something good I just noticed. But still, VWAP breakouts I think are probably better. Yeah. Alright, 10 seconds, still 4:30. Let's see if something new comes up. I compete in judo. I do compete, but this was for like a training camp. And no, not in school. They don't have that here in America, unfortunately. In Hawaii they do, but in America they don't. Right, NUVB. Alright, let's talk in. Came up on the scanner. Oh, 200 million float. It's not good. NHL. Oh, it's a really high price. $670. feel like this. I don't know. I don't feel good about this one. AGMH, just because it's Chinese. You never know what these guys can do. You never know. 674 is the next ask level that I'm seeing from there. 672, 68. My intuition's not. I know it could break out, but let's see if it's bouncing off 920. FGNX news. I saw that on the scanner, but it went away. I didn't see the news come out. I think taking a trade here is really risky. I don't know how I'd be able to manage my risk if it just shoots down all the way to like 616. I don't know how I can prepare for that. Very risky trade. I know sometimes like these trades on the breakouts on here can be really good when this 1 minute is crossing over up or positive, but I don't know. Until it can break 690 and hold. Okay. It's not a bad idea. I wish there was like a bigger gap here. That would have been cool. 760. These tops. It's curling up again. Why 690? Is it because it's right below 7 and you're anticipating a breakout over 7 if it can hold 690? Is that the reason? I was trying to figure out why 690. I mean, there's two tops right here, just below 7. It was the last major move. So. It's getting close. As we're speaking about it, it's approaching that level. I'm watching level 2 right now. Oh shit. Damn, that's crazy. No positions yet. Shorts might get hit. What are you trading on? Right now, for me, it's showing not available to borrow. Floats low. Short interest is not that high. Yeah, I do the scary candle. I know, dude. I saw that and I was like, oh shit. I wasn't getting close to a buy. I'm gonna take Mr. Mike's advice. I mean, he pointed out 690 was last major move. But, damn. So I'm saying it's like, damn, I don't think I would have been prepared for that though. I don't think I can manage my risk on this regardless. I don't know, man. Please give another stock. This stock is, Okay, so it's 735. Yeah, it was hitting Wolf 670. I'm just going back on the level 2. 671 is that wall, and then it just immediately sank all the way back down. Seeing a lot of orders. 70. Yeah. CDLX. So that one's trash. I was looking on the 5-minute candle. That's not good. Once it can roll over, but I mean, it's been going up for almost an hour. Could run out of steam, or it could pop it back up again closer to the open. We'll see. Yeah, jackknifed on the 10th second here jackknifed, here jackknifed. This is like, it's not a straight jackknife, but still, that's scary. This was a jackknife. Going and immediately, holy shit. I'm gonna live stream Monday. This is too slow for me. That's 2 and 2. It's too slow for everyone. But that might be the sentiment until something happens in the overall market. FATN. Why did this come up? Short interest, 9,000. I don't like how this chart's looking right now on the daily. Break over 8. What's the news on this? Yeah, definitely, dude. The live stream definitely forced more discipline, 100%. Because I don't want to lose in front of you guys. That's the thing. I don't want to lose. Okay, well, let's ask. I'm gonna buy into it right now. These ask prices, 770, 780, and it's like nothing from there. It's like low volume, but this ask price, $7.90 and $8. It breaks over 7. I took it off the table. $55 in profit. I'm glad I did. Okay, So this is what I was saying. It was showing. Let's look into my averages right here. That was a quick trade, risky, 780. So I was seeing 780, 782, 786, and then from there it was like $18. And I was like, what the hell? So I was like, okay, you can break through that pretty swiftly. And then we'll be in good hands. I took that off the table immediately because it dropped. So that was a quick pop. So $55 in that trade, which is not bad. Damn. Yeah, and I was seeing $7 to like $8. I was seeing like 7. Let's see, what was it at? Yeah, it was some like $7.90 and then $8 and $8.22. Wow. I'm glad I took my profit on that one quickly. Yeah, that's the discipline. This is the discipline side of me. Shit, I might have to keep doing this more often. Okay. Honestly, I'm done for today. I got $95 of profit. And I'll show you guys right here, right now. Before things get worse, before I put myself in a bigger position. So, SOWG, I went for a view at the breakout, bought in 1,000 shares. It peaked at 121 for that move up. I took it off the table. And FATN, what you guys just saw right now, I went for that breakout because I was seeing on level 2 it was pretty open on the ask. Like, there wasn't that much resistance from 782, 785 to like 18. I was like, okay, is this gonna be like a crazy move, like $5 squeeze, 5-point squeeze? But no, it was a small squeeze though. Watching from the UK off of the stream, dude. I only stream. This is like my second live stream that I've done. I might keep doing this more often. This is actually fun. My laptop though, overworking a little bit, and it's it's actually not too hot. It's pretty good. No, my laptop's pretty good. Yeah, it should drains the fuck out of my battery. That's the only thing. But other than that, I don't have a problem with live streaming. This is fun. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna call it. Should have called it yesterday. $100. I would have saved myself $800 loss. Damn. Yeah, no, the live stream makes me more disciplined. That for sure. Alright, I'm done for today. I can't take any more trades. Even if I had more in my account, which, say if I didn't lose yesterday, I would have just, who knows, I could have, would have, should I, anyone can say that. How I can hear it sounds like it's going to take off. Yeah, thank you. Alright, good luck guys with the rest of the morning. Hopefully the next hour can give you some volatility, I hope. But I'm taking it off the table. That's me, I'm done for today. I'm gonna go ahead and reflect and think about what I did yesterday, September 18th. I don't know about you guys, but I always get trigger words whenever I hear, like, anytime I see some sort of chart, not even like a chart related to day trading, but any chart, any graph, or if I hear any terms that are like if I hear like a breakout or just like certain day trading terms, dude, it's a trigger word. I'm like, oh shit. But yeah, alright.